Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation on the final project for MEC 140. Today, I will be demonstrating our simulation of a factory production line using an Arduino Uno board, various sensors, and a toggle button. As you can see, our project consists of an Arduino Uno board, 4 LEDs, 1 relay, 1 potentiometer, 1 motor, 3 sensors including a touch sensor, flame sensor, and tracking sensor, and 1 toggle button. Our simulation includes 3 processing stations that are represented by the sensors pressing station, heat treating station, and inspection scanning station. A part will go through each process station in a sequential order. When the part reaches the pressing station, the touch sensor is triggered and the LED lights up to indicate that the station is processing, blinking, or finished, bright. The same process is repeated at the heat treating station and inspection scanning station. Once the part has gone through all 3 processing stations, it is sent to the assembly station. The assembly station requires 2 parts to complete a product. When the assembly station receives 2 parts, it assembles them into a product and sends it to the warehouse for storage. The red LED lights up to indicate that the assembly station is active. I have also added a toggle button that represents the start-stop function. When the button is switched to the start mode, it triggers the relay and runs the motor. I have used a potentiometer to control the speed of the motor. When the toggle button is switched to the stop mode, the motor stops running, and the system stops processing signals from the sensors. This is a crucial safety feature that allows us to halt the production line in case of any issues or emergencies. The start mode enables the system to process signals from the sensors at each processing station, allowing the part to move through the production line. The LEDs and serial monitors show the status and progress of each step. To monitor and log the process, we have used a serial monitor. The serial monitor displays the status and progress of each step, as well as the inventory after all the processes are completed. In conclusion, our project successfully simulates a factory production line with multiple processing stations, an assembly station, and a warehouse using an Arduino Uno board, various sensors, and a toggle button. The start/stop function of the toggle button enables us to start and stop the production line when necessary, while the potentiometer allows us to control the speed of the motor. This is a crucial safety feature for any production line. Thank you for watching.